Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good Canva videos. First, select a video template that truly fits your message and style. Then, easily upload your own photos and video clips to personalize your project. Don't forget to add some background music from Canva's library or your own collection to set the perfect mood. This initial setup is crucial for a strong foundation. Next, focus on making your visuals pop. Dive into Canva's vast element library to find graphics, stickers, and shapes that enhance your story. Maintain a consistent look by using your brand's specific colors and fonts throughout the video. Adding subtle animations to your text and graphic elements can also grab attention and guide your viewer's eye effectively. Crafting a clear message is key to a good video. Aim to keep individual video clips concise, ideally under 15 seconds, to maintain viewer engagement. When adding text overlays, ensure they are easy to read and complement your visuals, not distract from them. Finally, always include a strong, clear call to action so your audience knows what to do next. Before you share your masterpiece, always preview your video thoroughly to catch any last-minute adjustments. Once satisfied, download your video in the highest quality format available, such as MP4, for the best viewing experience. Canva makes it simple to then share your finished video directly to various social media platforms, reaching your audience with ease.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.